chain case oil on an MXZ, XP, XS, whatever. They're basically all the same. Changing the chain case oil is a big job. Have to take the battery out, the exhaust out. Becomes quite a process. I found an easier way. First of all, I'm going to get the cover out of the way. Hi again. Also, an important thing about raising your snowmobile up high at the front end and standing it up in the air, you want to make sure there's not too much gas in it. It could cause a problem. Vapors escaping out the gas cap or whatever. So for safety reasons, it's better to keep the gas level low or empty. Skidoo E-Tech 2013 chain case oil. Chain case oil has a vent hole at the top here, and this rubber seal thing pops back in there when you're done. You take this out to put the oil in. You just take a screwdriver like so, like that, and pop it out, and then you pop it back in when you're done. That's after when you want to put new oil in it. That's after you've drained the chain case. To drain the chain case, you have to take this exhaust off. This here. This battery and this battery bracket assembly. And then you can get the cover out. Then you have to take this out here too. Look around this bracket and get that out. That's a fairly big job just to change the oil in the chain case. On the chain case you have a level plug right here, right there. So when you fill up the oil, if the oil is at the right level, the oil is going to be about here, about the height of that level plug. So you can take that level plug out to check your oil. And that's basically all it's for. But I found a better use for it, which you will see. There's a better way to drain the drain case oil. If you could make that the bottom of the chain case. Yes. Okay, if you're going to lift the front of the sled up and tip it up high, the back could get roughed up a bit. So I'm going to take this old coat of mine, I don't use it for much else, put that, have it like that. So when this hits the concrete floor, it's only going to rough up the coat. That's okay. You can use anything you want, really. Okay, now I'm going to try and lift up the front end. Put this thing here. Now we have it hoisted up in the air. And the drain plug, or the level plug is now the drain plug. So here we go. I'm gonna drain the oil. Also, which is most important, is the right oil. This is the recommended oil to use. It's recommended by who else but Skidoo. Woohoo. So, if you're not using that oil, you're not in the clique. It's the better oil. So they say. Because use anything else and you could void warranty, they say. So that's something important.